Okay, everybody! Nandito na kayo! If we're already getting this game started, let's get this game going! So it's time to play Crown Showdown! Are you ready? Now let's go! Let's go! Welcome to Crown Showdown, where one player will rule the day and the others will rue it. But first, you know what you're in for. Pesky rules, everyone. Okay, everybody. Okay, Baby Ju, Baby Jayu, are you ready to read the rules?
BB, let's read the rules.
Yeah, the rules are very simple. In Crown Showdown, you'll raise to win a set of number of minigames before your competitors do it first. What type of minigames?
What type of mini games? Up to you, or select random and leave it a chance.
Okay, choose the game that you want to play, and let's get this game started. Yahoo!
Okay, Baby Jayu, thanks for reading. So now let's do 4 players, 7 wins. We're gonna play random. Okay, everybody, here's the game now. So as you can see, we have the players. The players are here. Rafi, Mix and Felix. For the sake of blooper, that can either be Ate AC Martinez, Shu Vietrata, AC Bonifacio, Ate Ashley Ortega, Janine Gutierrez. Who's Janine Gutierrez? Who else? And then there's Ate Naomi, Ate Shirley, Ate Beverly, and then there's Ate Kat, Ate Bebs, and yeah, all the other Ates out there, but I can't even specifically name her. And furthermore, I don't have her toy, so never mind if she weren't depicted in a game, even though she wins. But anyway, she looks kind of cute, as you can see right over there. Ah, just look at her fluffy little legs. She's so cute. I really like that girl. She's very, very cute. Very. Merely. So, yeah. She's so cute, right? Yeah. She's so cute. Anyway, now let's get this game started. Before that, done deal, setting set. Now that you know the rules, you know what to say, people. One Crown Showdown coming up.
Psst. Rafi,
Yes?
Farm goes in the biggest hit. Whoever gets 7 wins. Am I right?
Yup, that's right. 7 wins, Baby Jayu. Truly and absolutely. Why don't you beat it together? So down in front of Chipper Chopper, let's kick off this Crown Showdown. Okay, everybody, now let the game begin. Now for our first minigame.
Let's see if your royal competitors, your royal pains out there. Spin the wheel!
Yeah, this is so much fun, everyone. Eto na, baka... Oh, dito na tayo sa isang, ano yun? Sa isang Pasig River. Kung saan kayo magdumi-dumi. Walang kwenta. Eto na. Kaya ba ako pananalo dyan? Iwan ko na sa iyo, mga buwisit kayo. Wala, tandaan mo. Dojon! Hoy, Migs! Ano ba yung ginawa mo? Taro ka? Di ba, kung ano yung balak mo? Uy, galing malaman na si Kuya Diego, o si Kuya Paulo Contis, o si Kuya Tony Pangilingan. Dito na ako. Oy, Ate Catherine Bernardo, you cannot catch me now because I'm so in the lead. Haha! No! Malapit na. Yun! Tapos! Dito na ako! Sabihin niyo sa akin, mga buwisit kayo. Yeah! I'm the winner!
Yay! Good job, Rafi!
Thanks, Baby Jayu! And the winner is Rafi! Yeah! At least I ruled that minigame! Thank the Lord! That's 1 win for me.
Mimi, on to the next minigame. Spin the wheel.
That's right, Baby Jayu. So what do we do now? Oh, it's so easy. Oh, great. At least I know already who's gonna team up with this one. It's Mix and Felix.
BB, let's go on a hovercraft ride.
Now let's start the minigame.
Let's go!
Okay, Ruru, let's hit the road. Whatever you do, don't get bumped and don't get caught. Kaya mo yan. Huwag na tayong mag-aasahan dyan, mga bobo kayo. Lahat tandaan mo. The end! And of course, great job, Mix and Felix, because you both win that minigame! Yay! Perfect! Tayo na! Susunod na minigame! I-spin mo yung gulong! Ano? That's not how they say it in Filipino. Uy, gago, dito na tayo sa vulkan. Pero don't worry guys, you know already your thing. Kaya mo yan. Huwag na tayo mainitan dyan na walang kwenta, mga buwisit kayo. Tara na, lahat kayo, ano may squatter dyan. Let's go! Dojon! Ano ba yan, Migs? Huwag ka na pumunta dito. Stephanie, AC! Bumuwas ka ng tiyan, wala kang kwenta. Hoy, ano yan? Mga malikot naman kayo. Hoy, galing nyo lahat ha! Lahat kayo sumawa sa vulkan. Ako talaga yung panalo.
Yay! Good job, Ralphie! You were the last man standing!
Well, I do not know what's up with my friends. Ewan ko na yun. Ewan ko na yun sa'yo lahat kayo mga kaibigan dyan. Wala kayong kwenta sa vulkan na yan. Parang tumalsik talaga yung Mount Pinatubo sa inyong lahat. Di ba na? Sige nga, Baby Jayu, sabihin mo na yung totoo.
On to the next game, everyone! Spin the wheel!
Tara na! Ano yun na susunod na laro? Sana dapat yun? Ay, mag-relax na ako. Ano ba yan? Pero okay lang yan. Remember bro, teamwork makes the dream work.
Okay, Ruru ha? Oh, what is it, bro? Tandaan mo ha? Pag dumating yung mga tiles namin, i-flip mo. Wait for my signal. Okay? Okay.
Let's go! Dojon!
BB, let's do this.
Alright, let's give it a whirl. Remember, egg ha? Itlog! Oy, natatat! Yan, lahat! Ano ba yan? Buwisit naman kayo? Mushroom ha? Lahat! Ay nako, ano ba yan? Meron ka na pindot na mali. Tayo mo. Ingay nyo guys. Wala kayo alam. Sinabi ko, hindi kayo pwede muntik yan. O yan, isda. Tandaan lahat. Yan. Yan. Baba. Hinday lang. Yun. Buti, sinundol mo ako ha. Yan. Hoy, wala pa yan. Yan. Wait, hinday lang. Antay. Yan. Lapit na ha. Isa na lang. Anong figure? O mahirap na yan. That's like a shell. Yan. Malapit na. Tapos. Uy, salamat. I thought we will lose. Nagtataka na, no? Galing! At least teamwork makes the dream work. Suwabe naman kayo. Dahil na si Real Madrid, inaayos niya na talaga yung mga instructions ko. Hanep, Rafi, Michael Sager, and Mika Salamanca won that minigame! Galing! Well, at least that evens out now. Pero, ang problema lang, si Kuya Enchong wala pa siyang puntos o si Kuya Dustin. Ewan ko na.
Don't worry. I'll try to catch up.
You can do it. Spin the wheel.
Bibi. I join it too. Spin the... O yan! Dito na tayo maglaro tayo ng football. Wow! Galing! Suwabe! Ako kasama ba si Ate AZ ng dyan sa binigin na yun? Mga puta niya talaga. Come on, Mika Salamanca. Let's do it! Or our house guest, Ate Michelle. Or the Beanie Squad. Beanie Joanna, Beanie Stacy. Ay mayan, girl. Girl power tayo. Dahil duo kita. Tara na, wag nang bobo kayo. Hoy, kung nasan yung bola, akin na yan. Yun. Hoy, nasan na? Ano ba yan si Real Madrid? Ate Ara dito. Yan. Ate Shaira. Ano ba naman yan si Ate Shaira? Dito. Bola. Yan. Yan, dalawa. Hoy, bola, akin na yan. Ilan pa yan? Yes. Isa pa. Uy, gago, ano yan? Gago. Ate AZ. Wala pa na tayo matapos dyan. Yan, dito. Yan, malapit na. Ay, nako, ano ba yan si Martin Javier? Yun! Tapos! Suwabe naman, Claire. Suwabe naman, Ate Cheska. Galing namin, no? Located save. Rafi and AZ Martinez jointly won that minigame. Hanep. Next game, everybody. Spin the wheel. Sina, ano yung laro? Saan na dapat mas mabilis? Oh, dito na tayo sa farm. Galing lahat kayo magsasaka. Para what you all this. Itanim mo yung mga carrot dyan. Yaha! Lahat tayo mga magsasaka dito. Para susan tayo mag-anim mo yung planto. Planto? That's halaman. Ha! That's great. At least I can give Kuya Podoni a chance. Yo, Rafi. Tara, magsasaka tayo. At hindi dyan. Kailangan namin i-bash ng mga lucky mga scammers dito. Wanna see? Ito na. Ikaw talaga yung magbibit ng carrots, kuya. Tapos ako, makahammer ako, magbibitilyo ako sa mga visit na mga best friends ko. Ito na. Paginggan mo yung mga instructions ko. And follow me. Para panalo tayo. O ako muna, ha? Yan. Ito ako. Yan. Isa pa. Bilisan mo. Huy, malapit na yan. Suabe. Both of our fields are already clean. Pero I saw we were the first. Yun. Suabe. Good job, Kuya Don. Or Kuya Ignacio. O Kuya Louie. Jayo, sabihin mo na!
Whoop whoop! Crown alert! Rafi only needs one more!
Oh my goodness! My bros are going to win again. BB. When will I get to win?
No, Baby Ranger! Baby Gyro has to win because he supports the Mario Man. You can win in the next game.
Okay. I got only 1 point. Paano na yan? Okay lang yan, Kuya Betong, Kuya Michael V, Kuya Paulo Contis, Kuya Jake Vargas, o kahit sino. Mababawi tayo sa susunod na laro. Tandaan mo, ha?
On to the next game, everybody.
Spin the wheel. I'll join in too. Me 3, me... Oy! Madali lang yan! Dito na tayo sa stinky office ni Bongbong Marcos. Parlisin namin si Bongbong Marcos. Dahil best friend ko rin si Bongbong Marcos. Kahit siya ay madumi, palinisin mo siya para magpogi siya. Dahil pogi si BBM. Palatandaan mo! Yun! Tapos! Lahat kayo hindi kayo mayroon paliwin si Bongbong. Ako talaga yung mayroon paliwin si Bongbong Marcos. Kahit yung putungs niya, ilinisin ko yun. And the winner is...
Yay!
Dahil sa best friend ko si BBM. Swabe! That wraps up Crown Showdown! And this showdown's winner, alam mo yung sino panalo?
Oh, hey, Rafi! Rafi's the winner! Yay!
Salamat sa inyo, Baby Jayu! At dahil kay Bongbong Marcos, yung best friend ko, nakailangan ko siya paliguin para malinis na siya. Para bukas, magtrabaho na siya ulit.
Yay! Thank you, Rafi!
That's great, everybody! Yan! Panalo ko.
Bibi! That was so much fun! Let's do it again!
Yeah, I don't know what happened, but it was so much fun riding the hovercraft. The hovercraft was really great. I wish we could do it again.
Bibi! Maybe on the next game, baby brother!
Yeah, that's right. Maybe sa susunod na laro. Tapos wala ba naman ni Ate AZ o si Ate AZ Bonifacio or Ate Claire o Ate Kat o sino pa o si Ate May Mendoza tsaka si Ate Sofia at Ate Nadine. 2 points lang siya. She won 2 games. One with ano yun sa football field. Tapos yung isa naman ano yung laro. Ayan, yung nag-triplets tayo. Galing naman talaga. Sayang lang talaga si Sir Benjamin. Who's Sir Benjamin? I do not know who that guy is. Pero if you know who Sir Benjamin is, leave it in the comments. Di bale, may chance ako babawi dyan. Tama! Kung mababawi ka, edi mapunta na tayo sa susunod na laro. Hanapin mo ako ha. Bye guys!